Hi. Today we are going to show you two useful features of Bold Page Builder. Let's assume that you don't like how this section looks in responsive, on smaller size screens. Go to Section, Edit, Responsive tab, and thick resolutions you don't want this section to appear on. Let's see how it works. Right-click your mouse and go to Inspect. The section is shown in higher resolution, but it isn't there in the smaller ones as per our settings. Here is a tip: for lower resolutions you can make a modified section that you will hide on bigger screens. In case you have any content that should show only for a limited time, like a sales promotion, you can schedule publishing. In Custom tab, select starting and ending dates on the calendar. Hide on responsive and publish date features are available at section, row and content element level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to leave a rating for Bold Page Builder on WordPress.org.